Hi, I'm starting now a new week. In this week, on my jobs, I will speak in English. And for today, my plan is to bring the new words record of repair. My last record, on a minute. My last record is 16, and now I will bring a new number, a new top. This first one is an X4, and there is no stabilization of the gimbal. I will show it for you. No stabilization. Let me see. There's easy. Look. We have a problem here, and I will solve it. Well, now we're gonna see if it can fly. If the gimbal is under control, and if the drone is good for fly. Now, oh, it's good. On a minute. It's perfect. Okay. This is the first quad for today. The next, today I will make my words record of repair. The second one, this is a simple problem here to solve. The owner talked about the problem. This motor is poor. There's no function. And I need to do the repair here. Gonna see what's happening. Turn off the GPS and now the quad. Well, it's burning. Okay. It's over. Let me see. It's over. I need to do the square fly again. Okay. Okay. Well, the next squad. This is so strange when fly. Look. A so strange movement. This is not good for fly. I need to repair because this drone is crazy. Well, now we're gonna see if it can fly. Okay, now it's good. The next. Our next step is doing the reparation for these. This model that the people cannot use it with perfection and can to damage your gimbal. But our next step is doing the reparation for this quad. This is the problem. In fly, oh, it's followed. When you fly, you need to do the calibrate first. And this quad, when it's flying, there is no stabilization, no one stabilization of movement, and is flying for together. This is a problem with the compass, and I will do the change now because there's nothing to do, and only the change. After make the change of the compass, you're gonna see if it's drawn. It's good now for fly. It need to make all the movements, but there's no GPS here. I forget. Now, for test this quad, I need to wake up to wait and then make all the tests. But I think it's good now for fly. It's good. Let's go to the next. This next is the same problem of a lot of quad from this type who arrive here for make the repair. There's no movement. Oh, there's no movement in the gimbal. There's only the movement from the sides, but there's no up or down. See, there's no good movement. This is wrong. It needs to move with perfection. After clean, now it's perfect. Let's go. Gonna see if it's true, the movement of this gimbal now. Maybe wrong, I don't know. Gonna see. Now it's working perfectly. This next is the 17.4. is an X4, the new version. This is bad. Your owner has talked that this squad there is no stabilization in flight. For have a good fly, you need to do the calibration of the gyro and compass. And if you have this calibration in a place too bad, close to metals, doors, or everything for the magnetic environment, you can't fly with security because your calibration is over. It's too bad. And here we have a great problem because look, now the problem was over. But this drone can't calibrate and can't fly with security. I will do the reparation and it will fly with security. It can fly, but there's no vision position. And it's true that I need to do this drone saved for fly. Let's go. Well, this is the end. I'm gonna see. This next is one of the last Xiaomi that I will do repair here in Brazil because of the people. I think this isn't a strong drone. Woo! I'm gonna start it. Well, this is the gimbal. This is the drone. And there's no solution for the bind here. The system is too damaged. There's no way to do my job here so easily. It's not good. It's in function, but can't stop. Continue. Let's go. Well, it's over. Now this drone can fly. I'm shaking it to see if the gimbal is great. Gonna see now the move. It's okay. And I'm here. Today I gonna do a lot of repair, and I will find the world record of maintenance in one day. Let's go. The next one. This drone is too damaged and I need to change this compass. But now I need to eat my ice cream. Huge and wonderful. I'm here again. I was making my exercise in a gym house. And now I'm gonna see if this drone is good for fly. I think that is good. Wonderful. And now, if it can fly. No. Okay. The next. This is wonderful. Well, the next is the same model. Arrive a lot of these drones here every day, and a lot of day with the same problem. Let's go. The same problem with gimbal. Let's go. For this video, don't be so extensive. I will do this repair and I come back now. And now we're gonna see if it's good. I make this repair every day. But it isn't so easily. It's difficult. The people try to do in your own house and make a lot of damage in this bad luck. Look. If you don't have all the movement Your gimbal is bad. Need to be all the movements to be good for fly. Okay? This is good. The next one. Today I will bring my record daily. My daily record. The next is an SG 19.6 Pro. It's the last version. There's only 2 axes. There's no the third one. Only have this movement for up and down and this movement of the sides. And this one, there's no movement in the gimbal too. Gonna see. Let's start in the show. It's too bad. Oh, let me see the motors. It's good. Gonna start. The same problem. The last version. Okay. Well, I'm so tired. But my plan for today is arrive on the top. Today I will bring the top. But now I need to eat something because I'm hungry. And I'm so tired. After my great sandwich, I'm here to finish up this job. Look the gimbal. So soft. Perfectly. Wonderful. The next. I'm so tired. And I'm writing every drones I made repair today and other days too. The next.